Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be upgrading this 911 Carrera GTS with a SharkWerks exhaust system. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and you won't miss whenever our new videos go live. So upgrading this Carrera GTS with a SharkWerks exhaust. We've installed many of these exhaust systems over the years on like GT3s, turbos, also GTSs. They make a great difference, and essentially what we're going to be doing to this car is removing the center muffler and replacing it with a straight through X pipe, so releasing a little bit more exhaust tone and volume that's sort of like muffled by the factory silencer, and it's going to sound amazing. So yeah, we're going to record the standard sounds and then record the SharkWerks sounds once it's been fitted a little bit later on, and then show you the installation process. So I hope you enjoy this video and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.